Here's what happens when you are in a toxic work environment that leads to burnout. Your toddler brain, down back here, the back brain, has been the loudest, meaning you have been in survival mode. It's been the loudest for so long that it has essentially hijacked the whole system. When your survival brain is activated, it shuts down the grown-up brain because planning for the future is a luxury you can't afford when you're just trying to survive. This explains why you feel stuck when people ask you, what do you want to do next? So your inability to figure out what you want makes complete sense given what's happening physiologically and neurologically. So right now, I just want you to know you're not broken, you're not deficient. Your brain is doing exactly what it's designed to do when it perceives chronic threat. Keep you safe. Keep you alive. That's exactly how toxic work environments are processed by your brain. They're processed as dangerous situations that it needs to protect you from.